Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve maximum minimum problem. It is very easy problem. So first let's read the problem. Given an array of A of size n integers, your task is to find the sum of minimum and maximum element in the array. So what is our task? We need to find the minimum and the maximum element in an array, and we need to sum of these two elements. Okay. So suppose let's understand this example. Here we have n is equal to 5, and here we have the 5 elements in an array. Minus 2, 1, minus 4, 5 and 3. So the minimum element is over there in minus 4, and the maximum element is 5. So its sum is minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. So we need to return the output, the sum of the minimum and the maximum value. So how we are going to approve this problem? So let's create an array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we have the elements, and now let's write their index over there. It's 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3 and it is 4. So our first task is to find the minimum element in this given array. Okay, so how we are going to find the minimum element over there? So in Python there is one concept using the float info. Float infinite is the concept in the Python which indicate that if we you have any a value which is zero, negative, anything, because it's infinite written over there, it's anything value, so it's going to return automatically a minimum value. Let me tell you again. Suppose here we start our loop from this index, okay, 0. So it is our mini element. We store our minimum element over the minimum value. So it automatically stored this one into the float. So float infinite in INF is represent the infinite. It represents the first value of the given array. Okay, so it is the float infinite, and now we need to find the maximum value. So guys, for maximum value, we can't write maximum is equal to 0, because if suppose we write the suppose we write maximum is equal to 0. But the problem is that if suppose we have a given array minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So mm, there is no change in the value of maximum because 0 is greater than all these values. So according to this concept, output is going to be the minus 5 is the minimum value. So minus 5 plus 0. So the answer is minus 5. So it's wrong answer. Why? Because maximum value is minus 1 and the minimum value is minus 5. So minus 5 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 6. So for that we're going to return maximum is equal to minus 1. We're going to return maximum is equal to minus 1. Why we are going to return maximum is equal to minus 1? I'm again going to explain you that suppose in this array the float is equal to 1. So the value of mini right now, the value of mini is equal to 1. Okay, and the value of maxi is right now we assign the value of maxi is minus 1. Okay, so the loop is going from this. Suppose if a of I is greater than maxi. What is maxi over there is minus 1. So is there one, suppose is 1 is greater than maxi? Yes. So suppose we're going to return change the value of maxi is equal to 1. And same with mini. Suppose if mini is greater than, it is a of I. then we are going to change the value of mini. So now we come to at the second place. Okay, so mini value is equal to 1 and the maxi value is equal to 1. So it's 2. So if we check the condition that mini is greater than e of I, no, it's less than. So we don't have to update this value, or we can't update this value. Now let's come to the maxi. 2. So 2 is greater than. So e of I is greater than maxi. Yes, 1 is less than 2. So we update this value. Same again. Let's come at the second index. Over there, 1 is less than 3. So we don't have to update this value, but 2 is less than 3, so we have to increase this value. So we repeat this till the last index, so it's going to be 5. So now we are going to create a one more variable in which store sum is equal to 0, and now we are going to add mini plus maxi. So guys, mini plus maxi is equal to 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5, sorry, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So here's the answer, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So here's the code, guys. We create a min is equal to float infinite, maxi minus 1, sum 0, and we create a one loop. It create a loop from 0 to last index. And if e of I is less than mini, then we are going to update this value, same with maxi, and then we are going to return the sum of mini plus maxi, and it return our output. So guys, that's all about this problem. If you have any doubt, so please write in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you.